Good morning, children. Welcome back to my classes, Maths Master Classes. Today we will study about Standard 6th Maths Chapter 10 Equation Practice Set 27. But before that, we will understand how to solve an equation. So here solving an equation. Here two examples are there. So we will solve this two examples. So x plus 3 is equal to 7. We have to find the place of x. So therefore x plus 3. In equations we have to form the opposite of the sum given here. Here plus is given. So what's the opposite of plus? Correct. Minus 3. So x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 3. Okay children, so these will be cutted. So is equal to x equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. The second question, x plus 190 is equal to 300. So therefore x plus 190, the opposite sign we have to put, minus 190 is equal to 300 minus 190. So x equal to 300 minus 190 is equal to 110. So we'll start with the word problems. It's examples only. Question 1. 4 years ago, Diljit was 8 years old. How old is he today? So 4 years ago, Diljit was 8 years old. They are asking how old is he today? So in the answer we have to write let A be years old of Diljit for today. We are saying that let A be year old of Diljit for today. Okay, so we have to make an equation. So how old is he today? So today for today we have taken as A. So we will write A. So by adding these two numbers, 4 years ago and Diljit was 8 years old, by adding these two numbers we will get our answer. But in equations we have to take the opposite sign of the sum. So what's the opposite of addition? Correct, it's subtraction. So we'll take minus here, a minus. So 4 years ago, so 4 is equal to 8. So this we have made an equation. So we will solve it now. Therefore a minus 4. What's the opposite of minus? Yes, plus 4 is equal to 8 plus 4. So therefore A is equal to 8 plus 4, 12. So we have to write the main statement. Therefore Diljit is 12 years old today. Okay. So the next question, there are some pedas in the box. If some children are given 2 pedas each, the pedas would be enough for 20 children. How many pedas are there in the box? So here they are asking, there are some pedas in the box. In the box some pedas are there. If some children are given 2 pedas each, the pedas would be enough for 20 children. how many pedas are there in the box. So we have to find out how many pedas are there in the box. So let the total number of pedas be x. Okay, children. So by multiplying these two numbers, we will get our answer. So the opposite of multiplication is correct. It's division. So we will form an equation. So x, there are x pedas in the box, upon, we'll put upon 2. There are 2 pedas each is equal to 20. 20 children are there. So x pedas are there in the box upon 2. 2 pedas given the children each is equal to 20. There are the peda would be enough for 20 children. So this is the equation we have formed. We will solve it. Therefore x upon 2 into 2, the opposite sign of division, multiply by 2 is equal to 20 into 2. So these two will be cut. Therefore x is equal to 20 into 2 is equal to 40. So the main statement, there are 40 pedas in the box. So now we will start with our practice set 27. For the first question, rewrite the following using a letter. We have to rewrite the following using a letter. The first one, the sum of a certain number and 3. The sum means the addition. Okay. So let the certain number be x. Therefore, sum of a certain number and 3 is equal to x plus 3. The second one, the difference obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. Difference means subtraction. So let the another number be x. So therefore difference obtained by subtracting 11 from another number is equal to x minus 11. So the third question, the product of 15 and another number. Product means multiplication. So let product, no product, no. Let another number be x. Therefore, product of 15 and another number is equal to x into 15. Okay, or we can write it as 15x. Okay, so the next fourth question. 4 times a number is 24. Times means division. So let the number be x. So 4 times a number is 24. So therefore 4 into x is equal to 4. 4x is equal to 24. So this is our answer. So the second question, find out which operation must be done on both sides of these equation in order to solve them. We have to find which operation must be done in this on both sides. So the first, x plus 9 is equal to 11. X plus 9 is equal to 11. So this first, x plus 9 is equal to 11. In here we have to write subtract 9 from both sides. We have to write here subtract 9 from both sides. 9 minus, we have to minus 9. We have to do minus here. 11 minus 9, 11 minus 9 is 2. 2 here, 2 will come, plus 9 is equal to 11. And the second one, same we have to do, but we have to change the sign. Here minus is there, so the opposite of minus is addition. So here we will write add 4 to both sides. Okay, we have to add 4 to the both sides. 4 we have to add it. 9 plus 4, and then we will get the answer. The third one, 8x is equal to 24. So the answer for this is divide both sides by 8. Here multiplication is given. So opposite of multiplication is division. So we have written divide both sides by 8. We have to divide both sides by 8. So the fourth and the last, x upon 6 is equal to 3. Here division is given. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So multiply both sides by 6. Okay children, so the third question, given below are some equations and the values of the variables. Are these values the solution to those equations? So this table you have to write in your fair, and this is your homework. Okay children, note down, this is your homework. Now we will do question number 4. Solve the following equation, the first one. So we are moving to question 4. Question 3 is your homework. Solve the following equations. First, y minus 5 is equal to 1. So we will write therefore y minus 5. So the opposite of subtraction is addition. So we will write plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 5. Okay children, we have to write a statement here, one statement. We have to add 5 to the both sides. So we have to write adding 5 to both sides. Okay, we have to write this statement. Okay, therefore y is equal to 1 plus 5 is 6. So y is equal to 6. So here the second question is 8 is equal to t plus 5. So we have to solve this equation. Therefore we will write 8 minus 5 is equal to t plus 5 minus 5. Here we have done ulta. Here we have done ulta, I will say. So we have to write that statement subtracting 5 from both sides. In this statement we have to tell what we are doing. Here we are subtracting 5 from both sides. So we have to tell in this statement that what we are doing. So therefore t is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. The third one, 4x is equal to 52. So this is in the multiplication form. So we have to do in division form. So 4x upon 4 is equal to 52 upon 4. Okay. So we have to tell what we are doing. Divide both sides by 4. So here 52 upon 4, we have to solve this equation. These 4 will be cut. We have to reduce this. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, remaining one will come here, and 4 threes are 12. So therefore x is equal to 13. Okay, and the fourth one, 19 is equal to m minus 4. So therefore 19 plus 4 is equal to m minus 4 plus 4. Okay, so we have to write the statement adding 4 to both sides. Okay children, so we are doing only 4 sums. Here, see, 1 2 3 4, we have done this, and the 5th 6th 7th and 8th is your homework. Mark it as homework. 5th 6th 7th and 8th. Now we will move to question 5th. Write the given information as an equation and find its solution. Okay, we will do this now. So we have moved to question number 5. Write the given information as an equation and find its solution. The first word problem. Haraba owns some sheep. After selling 34 in the market, he still has 176 sheep. How many sheep does Haraba have at first? So here they are asking, Haraba owns some sheep. Haraba owns some sheep. After selling 34 in the market, he sells 34 sheep in the market. He still has 176 sheep. How many sheep does Haraba have at first? How many sheep he owns at first? Okay, so here the solution is, let the number of sheep before selling be x. Therefore we have to make an equation. Okay, so Haraba owns some sheep, we are taking it as x. Haraba owns x sheep. So by doing addition of these two numbers, we will get our answer. but we are making an equation, therefore we have to take the opposite of the sign. So by adding these two numbers we'll get an answer. The opposite of addition is correct, subtraction. So x minus 34. After selling 34 in the market, he still has 176 sheep. So therefore we have formed an equation: x minus 34, the opposite of minus, plus 34 is equal to 176 plus 34. So these two 34s will be get correct. So therefore x is equal to, by adding these two numbers, you will add these two in a rough column, or I will tell you here, 176 plus 34. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 8 plus 3 is 11, and 2. So this you don't have, this no need of writing in your fair copy. This is only I am writing for rough work. Okay, so 210, x is equal to 210. We have get the answer 210. So we will write the main statement. Therefore the number of sheeps with haraba before selling is 210. Therefore he has 210 sheeps. He sells 34 in the market, and the remaining sheeps are 176. So the second question is, Shakshi prepared some jam at home and filled it in bottles. After giving away 7 of the bottles to her friends, she still has 12 for herself. How many bottles had she made in all? If she filled 250 gram of jam in each bottle, what was the total weight of the jam she made? Here two questions are there. Sakshi prepared some jam at home and filled it in bottles. Sakshi prepared some jam and filled it in bottles. After giving away 7 of the bottles to her friend, she gave 7 bottles to her friends. She still has 12 for herself. She still has 12 for herself. How many bottles had she made in all? Before giving 7 of the bottles to her friend, how many bottles were there with her? So the solution for this is, let the total number of bottles be x. Okay, so therefore we have to make an equation. So we have taken x. By adding these two numbers we will get our answer. So the opposite of addition is subtraction, so we will put minus. So minus 7, she gives 7 bottles to her friends, is equal to, she still has 12 for herself. We have made an equation, x minus 7 is equal to 12. So therefore we will solve it also. X minus 7, the opposite, plus 7 is equal to 12 plus 7. We have to write the statement, adding 7 to both sides. So therefore x is equal to 19. Okay, 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. So then they have asked, if she filled 250 gram of jam in each bottle, what was the total weight of the jam she made? Okay, so weight of jam in each bottle is equal to 250 gram. In each bottle 250 gram is filled. So therefore total weight of jam is equal to, she has made 19 bottles in all before giving 7 bottles to her friends. 19 multiplied by 250 gram. So we have to form an equation of this. So the opposite of multiplication is division. Therefore, x. Okay, we are taking the total weight of the jam as x upon 19. Okay, 19 bottles are there, is equal to 250 grams is filled in each bottle. So therefore we will solve this equation. X upon 19 into 19 is equal to 250 into 19 is equal to 4750 gram. When you will multiply this, you will get this answer is equal to 4750 upon 1000, because 1 kg is equal to, we have to write this in kg form. Okay, so 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 zeros are there. So 1 2 3, we will count from the right hand side. 1 2 3. So here point will come after 4 is equal to 4.750 is not needed kg. Okay, so we will write the main sentence. The total number of bottles of jam made by Sakshi is 19, and the total weight of jam made is 4.75 kg. Okay, so this is the second one. The third one is your homework. I hope you have understand this. So the third one is your homework. Thank you and see you in the next video.